Namaste. Today we are going to learn about squares and square roots. First, let us have a look at square numbers. Here, what do you mean by squaring a number? This is a natural number. If you want to square it, that means you want to multiply the same number with itself. 8 8s are 64. Then this is a perfect square because this can be expressed as product of a number with multiply with the same number itself. This type of numbers are square numbers. Generally, we can say if m is a square number, that number can be expressed as n square form where n are natural number. Here 8 into 8 means 8 square. 64 can be expressed as 8 square. That is n square form. So 64 is a perfect square. But what about 65? You can't express it as an n square form. So it is not a perfect square, but this is a perfect square. So in general, we can say m is a square number where it can be expressed as n square, where m and n are natural numbers. Let us have a look at some square numbers. 1 square is 1, that is 1 into 1, 1. 2 square, 2 2s are 4. 3 square, 3 3s are 9. 4 square, 4 4s are 16. 5 square, 5 5s are 25. 6 square, 6 6s are 36. 7 square, 7 7s are 49. 8 square, 8 8s are 64. 9 square, 81. 10 square, 100. These are some examples of square numbers because these numbers can be expressed as n square form. And here we have all the digits in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So these are the digits which we can see in all the other bigger numbers as units place. From 1 to 9 or 0 can be at units place in bigger number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number or any digit number. So always if these numbers are at the ending digit or units place, the result will be ending with these numbers 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. These are the possible units placed in a square number. Always a square number will end with either 1, either 4, either 9, either 6, either 5 or either 0. So if you are asked whether 32 is a square number or not, just have a look at this. Here 32 lies between 25 and 36 and 25 is 5 square and 36 is 6 square. 5 and 6 are consecutive numbers. Here in between we can't find a natural number. So 32 will not be a square number because 5 square is 25 and 6 square. The consecutive number after 5 is 6. So 6 square is 36. In between 32, it have no chance to be a square number because there is no natural number in between 5 and 6. Also, I told you before, these are the possible cases or possible units place of a square number. And which are the numbers will never occur at the units place of a square number? You can see 2. 2 will never be in the units place of a square number. Like that 3, 7, 8. These numbers you can't see here. So if a number is asked whether it is square or not, like this 273. Here ending digit is 3. So we can say directly, we are sure it is not a square number. But if we are asked 279 as 9 is ending or 9 is at the place of unit, we can say there is a chance of being a square number. But it is not sure, that we have to find out. Anyway, these type of numbers we can directly say they are not square numbers because they are units places 2, 3, 7 and 8. The only possible case or possible unit numbers in a square number is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. These are the digits at the units place of a square number. We can't say all the numbers ending with these digits will be a square number. But we can say vice versa. That is, the square number will always end with the digit 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Also, I will give you an introduction of square roots. Here, this is perfect square. Example 4. The square root of 4 is 2. 81 is a square number. Square root of 81 is 9. So, what is square root? which number is multiplied by itself, that numbers are called square roots of square numbers. Okay. So here we can say when we find a square of 1, it ends with 1. Also there is one more number ending with 1, that is 9. So any number ending with 1, if we find the square of that number, its units place will be 1. Also, if the number is ending with 9, their square will also be ending with digit 1, because 9 nines are 81, balance is 8. 9 nines are 81, that one is here. So we can say if a number has 1 or 9, either 1 or 9 at units place, then the square number ends with digit 1. Similarly, you can see if a number is ending with 2, its units place will be 4. Or if a number is ending with 8, then also its units place will be 4. If a number is ending with 4, then its units place will be 4. 4s are 16, that's 6. Okay. Also, if a number is ending with digit 6, then also its units place will be, square numbers units place will be 6. Here square numbers units place will be 6. And here when and here where the number is ending with digit 0, always its square numbers units place is also 0. Now if a number is ending with digit 5, then always its square numbers ending digit will be 5. Next, if a number's units place is 3 or 7, their square numbers units place will be 9. These are some properties of square numbers. Next property is finding the numbers between two square numbers. How many numbers are there between two square numbers? Let us do with some examples. We know 9 is a square number and 16 is a square number. How many numbers are there in between 9 and 16? There are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 numbers. And there is a relation between this. Next, 16 and 25. How many numbers are there in between? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 8 numbers. Okay. So there is a form, general form for this. That is, if this is n square, here n square, n is 3. This will be n plus 1 square. That is, here n is 3, this is 3 plus 1, 4 square. Yes, it is 16. Now, here if it is n square, then here n is 4. 4 square is 16. Here will be n plus 1 square. That is 4 plus 1, 5 square. Yes, it is 25. Then the general form is, in between n square and n plus 1 whole square numbers, there will be 2n numbers. Let us check. Here n is 3. 2n means 2 into 3. Yes, 6 numbers are between 9 and 16. Here n is 4. 2n means 2 into 4. 8. Yes, there are 8 numbers between 16 and 25. So we can generalize it and say, we find that between n square and n plus 1 whole square, there are 2n numbers. Also, there is a relation, the difference of these two numbers. What is the difference of 16 and 9? 16 minus 9 is 7. And the relation between these two numbers is 7 minus 1. So if we are considering this number, the relation between 8 is 2 into first number, that is 2 into 4. Now if we are considering the square numbers, we can say their difference minus 1 will be the answer. 25 minus 16 is 9 and minus 1 will be the answer here. In general, we can say there are 2n non-perfect square numbers between squares of n and n plus 1. Also, it is 1 less than the difference of two squares. That is what I explained here. If you are considering square roots, we can say 2n numbers are in between these square numbers. If you are considering these square numbers itself, then we can say that first we have to find the difference, then minus 1. That much numbers are lying between these two square numbers. Now next property is, first square number is 1, second square number is 4, third square number is 9. That is 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, like that. There is another property, that is 1 is 1. Now 1 plus the next odd number, successive odd number is 3, that is 4. Now here 1 plus 3 plus next odd number is 5 is 9, result is 9. Now this is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. This is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. This is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. Like that, all square numbers are sum of odd numbers or sum of odd successive numbers starting from 1. Now coming to exercise 6.1, first question, what will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? 81. What will be the unit digit of square of this number? Here units place is 1 and we know 1 into 1, that is 1 square is 1. So here units place will be 1. Now 272. Here 272 into 272. While we are writing like this, we know 2 square, 2 2s are 4. That will be here. So what we want to do is take the units place digit in the question and square it. That numbers units place will be square numbers units place 2. So 799. What is the units place number? 9. 9 square is 81. In that, what is the units place number? 1. So this results units place will also be 1. Next is 3853. Here 3 is the 3 square is 9. So the results 3853 into 3853's result will also end with digit 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 square is 16. In that units place is 6. So here in the result also units place will be 6. 20387. Here 7 is in the units place. 7 7s are 49. In that units place is 9. So the results units place will be 9. 52698. 8 8s are 64. In that units place is 4. So here in this results units place will also be 4. 99880. In that it is ending with digit 0 and we already find that 0 ending number square number will also end with the digit 0. Next is 12796 equal to square equal to 6 6s are 36. In that 6 is the units place, so here also 6 will be in the units place. Next 55555. As in 0, it always ends with the digit 0. Here in 5, the square will always end with the digit 5. Next question. The following numbers are not perfect squares. Give reason. 1057. I told you if a number is ending with the digit 7, it is not a perfect square. 23453. Again, it is ending with the digit 3, so we can say it is not a perfect square. 7928. Here it is ending with the digit 8. It will be not a perfect square. Next 22222. Here ending with the digit 2. It is not a perfect square. Now next one 64000. Here this is a case, that is you want to note it down. Here it is ending with the digit 0. So it can be a square number or not. But if it is ending with the digit 0, then there is another property. You want to count how many zeros are here. Here there are odd number of zeros. 1, 2, 3 means odd number of zeros. Then it is not a perfect square. If it was ending with even number, that is if it was 2 zeros, then it is a perfect square. Or if it was ending with 4 zeros, then also it is a perfect square. So 0 can be in the units place of a square number, but only thing is that number of zeros must be even. Here it is odd, that is 3 numbers, so this is not a perfect square. Next 8, 9, 7, 2, 2. Here again 2, ending with 2, it is not a perfect square. This one, number of zeros are 3. It is odd number, it is not a perfect square. 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Here it is ending with digit 0, but number of zeros is 1. 1 means odd number, so it is not a perfect square. Next, the squares of which of the following numbers would be odd numbers? 431. Is the square number be a odd number? Be an odd number. Here units place is 1. So the square number's unit place will also be 1. Ending with 1 means it is odd. How will you define odd and even numbers? Odd numbers end with digit 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And even numbers end with digit 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are even numbers units place and these are odd numbers units place. So that we have to check here. 2826 square. Does the square number be odd number or even number? Here it is 6 in the units place. Then 6 6s are 36. So square numbers units place will be 6. 6 is even. So the whole number will be even. Next 7 7 7 9. 9 9s are 81. 1 is in the units place. So in the square number also 1 will be in the unit place. 1 is odd number. So the whole number will be odd. For odd and even, we only consider the units place. Then we can say whether it is odd or even. Next 82004. Here 4 is in the units place. 4 4s are 16. 6 is in the ending digit. So this is even. Next is a pattern. It is given 11 square is equal to 121. 101 square is 10201. 1001 square will be here 1 0, so in between 1 zeros. Here 2 zeros, so the pattern will be like this. 1 square. Next, this pattern will be 4 zeros between these numbers. Next is 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, 6 zeros. So the result will be, pattern will be 1, 6 zeros, 2, again 6 zeros, then 1. Next pattern, 11 square is 121, 101 square is 10201, 10101 square is 102030201. So 1010101 square will be 10203040. Here 2 zeros, so 1, 2, 3. Here 3 zeros, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, then 3, 0, 2, 0. This will be the pattern. Next is dash square equal to 1020304050304030. All our patterns, you can just check it and write it accordingly. Here there are number till 5. So here will be 101010, again one more 0, 4 zeros, then 1 square. Here 3 zeros, then it is still 4. Here 2 zeros, then it is still 3. Here only 1 0, but it is still 2. So if it is still 5, that means there will be 4 zeros. Next pattern is 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square equal to 3 square. 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square equal to 7 square. 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square equal to 13 square. 4 square plus 5 square plus dash square is equal to 21 square. 5 square plus dash square plus 30 square equal to 31 square. 6 square plus 7 square plus dash square equal to dash square. Now let us check the relation here. Here 1, 2, 2, 3. So here 6, here 7, here 12, here 13, here 21, then here will be 20. Okay. Now next pattern hiding in this is 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 4 5s are 20. Here 5 into what is 30? 6 5s are 30. Now here 6 7s are 42 And what is the relation between these two numbers? Here 20, 21, 30, 31, 12, 13, 6, 7, 2, 3. So the next number to this, that is 43 square. Before in the introduction, we find that a square number can be expressed as sum of odd numbers starting with 1. So from that we can generalize that if there are n odd numbers, then the result will be n square. That is 1 odd number, then the result is 1 square. If there are 2 odd number, then the result is 2 square, that is 4. If there are 3 odd numbers, then the result is 3 square, that is 9. So like that, if there are n odd numbers, we have n square as the result. Here if we have 4 odd numbers, then we can say 4 square is the result, 16. Their sum will be 16. So we are using this pattern for the next question. That is, if there are n odd numbers, then their sum of n odd numbers will be n square. Sum of n odd numbers will be n square. So let us move to the next question. Without adding, find the sum 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Here how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odd numbers. So the result will be 5 square. That is, result is 25. We didn't add it. We just applied this method. Now next question, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. How many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 odd numbers. That is 10 square. If there are n odd numbers, their sum will be n square. Here we have 10 odd numbers sum. So 10 square is the result, that is 100. Next is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23 equal to how many consecutive odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the result is 12 square, that is 144. 12 into 12 is 144. Next question, express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. 49 as sum of 7 odd numbers means 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next odd number is 30. This is expressed as sum of 7 odd numbers. Next one, express 121 as sum of 11 odd numbers. How will you write 121? Sum of 11 odd numbers means starting from 1. Always be sure it is starting with 1. Then the next consecutive number is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21. This is sum of 11 consecutive odd numbers starting from 1. The result is 11 square, that is 121. Next question. How many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? 12 and 13. How many numbers lie between square of 12 and 13? That is 12 square and 13 square. This will be n, this will be n plus 1. We know 2n numbers lie between these two numbers, right? We just learned about it in the introduction. So 2n numbers means here n is 12. 2 into 12. 24 numbers lies between 12 square and 13 square. Next, 25 and 26 square numbers. Here n is 25, n plus 1 is 26. N square and between n square and n plus 1 whole square, there are 2n numbers. That is, here n is 25. 2 into 25 means 50 numbers are lying between 25 square and 26 square. Next is 99 and 100 square. Here n is 99, n plus 1 is 100. We have 2n numbers means 2 into 99. That is 198 numbers lying between 99 square and 100 square.